Alright, so our homework tonight, you have 3 separate problems. I'm only going to work 1 and 2 because number 1 and number 3 are very similar, just with different numbers. Before I get started, I probably will want to bust out my notes from today and the ones that we worked through. And just a reminder, anytime we're talking about time or we're talking about questions with one answer, we're going to be finding the LCM. Now, anytime it's talking about like packages or something like that, and I need 2 answers like we did right here, you're going to end up crisscrossing. And so we also need to remember the list of numbers that we try when talking about using the slide. So here's, let's go ahead and dive in and get started. So question number 1 says, today both the soccer team and basketball team had games. The soccer team plays every 3 days and the basketball team plays every 4 days. When will both teams have the same day, play on the same day again? If you go back to word problem number 1, it's very similar, but instead of 5, we have 4. So we're going to end up setting it up very similar. So if I have every 3 days and every 4 days, and we want to know when they're going to play the same day again, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 and 4 in the slide. And my numbers I try are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Because 3 is in our list that we try 3 first. So I'm going to come over to the side and draw me some notes. I know that 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So then I'm going to try 4. 4 divided by 3 is going to give me some kind of decimal number. I don't really know exactly what it is, but we can put it in the calculator to find out real fast. Oh, I know what it is. It's 75 hundredths. This isn't even a whole. So they're not whole numbers, so we can't use it, so 3 won't work. I can't go any larger because I can't go larger than 3. So the only thing I have left is a 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 4 divided by 1 is 4. That's as low as I can go. So I draw my L and I multiply it. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So every 12 days, they're going to have a game on the same day. All right, number 2, also very similar to number 2 on the word problems. Here's we're talking about hamburger bun packages again, where they have come in packages of 12, and hamburger patties come in packages of 8. We're trying to find the least number so that we can have an equal number of hamburger patties and buns. We're going to follow the same process that we did here over in number 2, where we have to label and tell us how many come in that pack. So we'll start with hamburger buns. There are 12 in a pack for hamburger buns, and we're talking about patties that come in 8 in a pack. So I can come here and I can do the slide here. I know that both of these are even, so I'm going to pull out a 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4. These are both even still, so I have to pull this out. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, 2 and 3 are back to back on the number line. If I count 1, 2, 3, there's not a whole number in between, so that means I'm done. Because it's asking for, if we come back here, each product, okay, just like we worked out over here, we're going to be looking for 2 different answers. We're looking for how many packs of buns do I need and how many packs of patties do I need. And when we did this, when we had 2 answers, if you remember back at the top, if we had 2 answers, we crisscrossed. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my buns and I'm going to crisscross all the way down to the bottom of the slide. I'm going to go from patties and crisscross all the way down to the bottom here. Okay? So buns, I end up needing 2 packs. And patties, I need 3 packs. And I can check my work here. I can go, if I buy 2 packs of 12 buns, Okay, if I buy 2 packs of 12, I'm going to end up with 24 buns. And if I buy 3 packs of 8 patties, 3 packs of 8 patties, when I multiply those together, I also get 24. So I still get 24, and I'm going to get 24. They're the same, and I'm not going to have any remainders or leftovers. Now, if you take and you stop the slide here, let's say you did 4 packs of buns and 6 packs of patties, and I multiplied there, and I did 12 times 4, that gives me 48, and 6 times 8, that gives me 48. Yes, we come up with the same number. We get 48 buns and 48 patties, but the question up here says the least number. And so that's why we have to go with 24. We have to go with 24 instead of 48. I'm going to leave you with number 3 so that you can do number 3 on your own. And then we'll check it tomorrow morning and see what you did.